Hello everyone and welcome back to another video on my channel. In today's video we're going to take a look at this brand new product to me, Maniology. I've got 9 stamping polishes, 5 plates. I'm going to show you the polishes. I'm going to take one plate and test it out and do some art with that plate. And the rest of the plates I'm actually going to do this into 2 more parts. So I think this will be kind of a fun series to do. So if this interests you, just keep on watching. So Maniology reached out to me and sent me a PR package. So they sent me Modern Masterpiece M217, which is this really cool, oh gosh, kind of like blobs of color with outlines of faces on it. We've seen nail art stickers like this, and I thought this would be a great plate to have so you never run out of stickers. The next plate they sent is Friendly Forest M022, and this is a great fall plate. Has a lot of leaves on here, some wreaths, some font, hello autumn, happy autumn, fall. This is a really cute plate. I've actually used this plate on my daughter. Just a couple of images on the accent nail, and that's all we needed for this set. I think it looks really cute. The next plate they sent is called Autumn Wishes M164. This one is so fun. It's got plaid on here, some fall themed leaves and text, and some flowers, I think sunflowers, pumpkins. This is a really cute plate and one I can't wait to play around with, especially that plaid. That's going to be great for fall. The next plate is Grow with Love M179, and this is a floral plate. So I love the fact that there's names of the flowers on here. Like the poppy is going to be great for Remembrance Day. Tulips, chrysanthemum, sunflowers, and roses. Oh, my brain is just going with ideas for that plate. And the next plate is Chic Peek Heart of Stone XL479, and this is the plate we're going to be using in today's video. This is a whole bunch of different stone patterns, some wood patterns. Oh, maybe not so much wood, but more stone patterns, marble. And for those of you that struggle with marble, you're going to love this plate. I've played around with this already. I absolutely love it, and I can't wait to show you some ideas. Okay, let's take a quick look at the stamping polishes. The first one is S'more B479, and this is a metallic brown, and you can even swatch the top of the lid as well, I guess if you place these in your drawer. And this color looks pretty pigmented, and from first glance it looks like it would stamp pretty well, but we'll check that out. I also received set 004, which comes with straight up black and Bam white, so your staples with any kind of stamping polish. Autumn Blossom is a 3-pack. That is set 025. The first one is Viola B303, and this is kind of a fall fuchsia. This is a cream color, so there's no shimmer or glitter in this one, and this one too also looks really pigmented. Next in this set is Maple B301, and this is kind of a rosy red color. Again, looks really pigmented, so I think they're going to be easy to pick up on the stamping plate. And then the last one is Chrysanthemum B302, and this is kind of your burnt orange, your kind of toffee kind of color. So 3 great fall colors. And the last set they sent is Night Forest, and the first color is Sequoia B299, and this is a really nice neutral, kind of like your light brown, but it's more of a neutral brown and very pigmented it looks. Then Pine B298, and this is like your pine green. This color is a cream, so there's no metallic or glitter in it, and Sequoia is a cream as well. This is a really pretty color. Yeah, my brain is working. My brain is working, guys. And the last color is Dusk B300. I actually didn't show this in numerical order now, did I? This is similar to what I'm wearing, but more blue. So this is kind of a peacock blue. This one is really pretty, and I can see it being used for like background of a sky, a dusk sky. Perfectly named, but I can't wait to play around with this color. And then they also sent crystal clear stamper and scraper set. So you get a mini size scraper and a cube stamper. The stamper does come with a lid, so that will protect your silicone stamper. And I have taken a look at the stamper itself, and it is crystal clear and it magnifies the image, so it's easy to see where the image is going. And then for reference, this is how mini the scraper is compared to a regular size scraper. Also, I wanted to compare this to the caption bottles from Young Nails. The caption is 10 mils and Maniology is 13 mils. I've had this silver polish for about 8 years and it still works perfectly, so I'm really curious to see how well Maniology polishes hold up. And before we get to the fun part, let's take a look at their website, maniology.com. They have given me a discount code for you guys, so it's Auralite 10, and you get 10% off your purchases. Their website is really user-friendly. They have so many products, so many stamping polishes, nail lacquer that you can wear if you don't wear gel, but just regular nail polish. You can get your polishes in sets. You can buy them individually. Like these metallic ones are so pretty, and the cream ones look so rich. I don't know, they have so much. Just go look, you guys. And then if you see something you like, use my discount code. You get 10% off your order, and you can use the discount code as many times as you like. There's no limit to it, so that's really awesome. Thank you, Maniology, for offering this discount code so all of you can save some money on your purchases. Okay, I want this set, Grimm's Nightfall. This one looks so gorgeous. Okay, let's get stamping. I have not swatched or used regular nail polish in almost a decade, and I have to say, putting this white on a tip and the black, I was so incredibly impressed. No, let's just be honest, I was freaking impressed. One coat, it was very opaque. Let it dry for about, I don't know, 30 seconds. And then I went in with the black. I'm going to put this on the white, and I'm using the Chic Peek Heart of Stone plate. That's the one we're going to use in this video. And this will kind of give you some marble ideas. So I didn't find that this was hard to use. I didn't find the scraping of the plate was hard or picking up the image was difficult at all. It was so easy, and it picked up a nice, clean, crisp image. And what I like about this plate in particular is that if you miss spots, like as you can see that I'm doing here, I'm just filling it in. The polish does dry quite quickly, but you do have enough time to play around and get your image the way you want it. And then to clean your stamper, I just use a lint roller. So for the next image, I'm going to use the same plate and Bam white, and I'm just putting a little bit on. I mean, it probably looks like a lot. Scraping quite easily, picking up the image quite easily. This is not sped up, so you're seeing it in real time. And the only issue that I had here is when I was placing this image on the nail tip, a fruit fly came in front of me and bugged me. So I waited a little bit longer than I should have because the fruit fly was in the way. So that is why I'm going in again with the same image, and I'm just going to add to some empty spots on the nail tip, and then that's it. For the next design, we'll take Chrysanthemum, paint the nail tip. I want you guys to see how easy it is to apply this nail lacquer. We're going to use S'more and kind of give this a wood type look. I know this is a Heart of Stone plate, but this kind of reminded me of wood grain. This image on top of this color looks way better than I thought it was going to. With all the studio lights, I was having a hard time seeing, and I didn't think it showed up that well, but it did. So it kind of does give that wood grain look, or maybe a type of granite rock type look as well. This one is really pretty. Then I thought I would try Sequoia and do the same thing with the same image and stamping polish and see what it would look like with a different background color. Okay, this one I really like. This one really looks like wood grain. So you could use your imagination and just play around with these images and see what you come up with. So Maniology does have a no smudge top coat, but I didn't get that. So I just put a gel top coat on. I used my Magic Gel Tackless Hyper Shine because I know that won't pit over stamping, and it worked really well. Okay, next design, I've been asked to share my little trade secret, so I'm going to use some gel polish. And I'm using Ugly Duckling Glass Gel and their Cat Eye gel polishes, and come up with a design using the same plate and the straight up black stamping polish, and see how you can create a design that actually looks great for Halloween. So here what I did was kind of fill in some areas that didn't quite transfer the way I wanted it to. So I'm just using the straight up black with a detailer brush and getting in along the edge. You could use a gel polish too if you want, and just sort of smudge the paint in there so it had a nice unorganized border. So after I let the polish dry for about 30 seconds, I'm going in with my Tackless Hyper Shine over top. And I just want you to see how this top coat doesn't pit and you get a nice smooth application. I use this for all stamping, and I'm really impressed that it works with Maniology as well. This is a really cool design. You could even stick some glass gel over top of this and get a different color. Okay, this next design that I'm going to do, I was asked to recreate it because I did a reel on my nails, and this is what I did. I took a pink gel polish and also a coordinating cat eye gel polish, and then I stamped over top of it. Really easy art and a great way to add dimension to your nail art. This design would look great matte, but I'm going to show you what it looks like shiny, and it just makes the design pop from the nail when you add the top coat, a shiny top coat. And that's all I did. So easy. Art doesn't have to be hard. I love stamping over top of cat eye gel polishes because you get a different look depending on how the light hits the nail. Okay, next design, we're going to take Dusk and paint it onto the nail tip, and this too is very pigmented. One coat is all you need. Let it dry for about 30 seconds, and then I'm going in with Pine and doing a design on top of Dusk. I thought the green and the blue would look kind of cool together. I love that contrast with the blue and the green, and this would look great matte as well. That's so cute. And to finish it off, I'm going to apply a no wipe gel top coat and cure for 1 minute. And one last design, I promise. Let's take Maple, apply it to the tip, and let it dry. See, even with regular nail polish, fuzzies are still a pain in the butt. So let's take Viola. Ooh, that was my grandmother's name. So this is a fuchsia or a magenta on this red, so it's a contrasting color. I thought it would look kind of cool. However, this one did not turn out the way I wanted it to. Viola was a little bit too deep. I think a metallic color would have looked better on this nail tip, so it didn't really pop the way I was hoping it would. But that's all about playing with your colors and your plates and seeing what works and what doesn't work, and then tweaking your ideas to create something unique on your nails. So this was kind of fun. I just basically winged it. I didn't really know what I wanted to do except for the one with the gel polish and the cat eye gel polish that I obviously had played around with a bit, but I was impressed with how easy it was to stamp using these products from Maniology. The stamping polishes were very pigmented. The plates were deeply etched, so they set you up for success. You basically can pick up an image on the first go, unless you wait too long and fruit flies are in your way, and then you start running into problems. But I have to say I am really impressed with this PR package that was sent to me. I've never used this product before. I love it, you guys, and I want to get more products. So don't forget to use my code Auralite10 at maniology.com. That will help you save you 10% on your order, and you can use it as many times as you want. Stay tuned for more videos on Maniology. I will be doing 2 more videos and showcasing 2 plates each that we got a quick look at the beginning of this video. So I like I said earlier, I think this is going to be a fun series. I haven't really done a series before. Everything I used will be in the description box below. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media, and we will see you in the next video. Bye guys!